guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making mini tacos, another simple recipe. So follow along with me as I make these tacos. Hopefully you guys will like this as well. As you guys can see, I just jumped right into it. I'm going to be using ground beef. Now with these you can use whatever meat you choose, chicken, steak, carne asada, pollo, el pastor, whatever meat you choose. I chose to go with beef. And as you see, I browned my meat, cut up some onions, browned my meat. Now I'm going to drain the excess grease off of it. And once you guys have all of your ingredients, those is pretty much all the ingredients you'll need. It's pretty much simple from there. All you do is place your meat on your shell, place some cheese on there, and then just roll it up. I like to tuck the ends so that the meat and the cheese doesn't come out, because we are going to put them in some grease and fry them. So once you roll them up pretty tight, that's where the toothpicks come in, and you just secure them with the toothpicks, and then they all be ready to go for the oil. You make sure your oil is nice and hot before you place these in there. Okay, and this is how they all looked, wrapped up and rolled up in toothpick. I only did one pack, so it came out to be 10, but we're gonna cut them. So once you get all of them rolled up and your grease is nice and hot, I normally go ahead and place them into the grease. I try to do it the flap end down first, that way it can fry closed and sealed. And we're gonna keep these cooking maybe on about a minute on each side. Just turn them until they get nice and brown and crispy and crunchy as much as you like them. Then we'll take them out the grease and set them aside. And here we are. They all are nice and fried and crispy and crunchy and nice and golden brown. And that's the finished look. You can take them and cut them in half, and that way they are 2 tacos for 1. Now these mini tacos are so good, y'all. You can eat them hot, cold, drunk, sober, in the morning, at night, whenever, as snacks, as dinner. They are really just like bite-sized good. So I hope you guys like the video and try this recipe out. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.